Oh, hello everyone. Welcome on board the Sketchcan Caravan, where you can learn to draw a little house on stilts. This could be a playhouse, or a tree house, or a house that's built near the ocean that has to be raised high up off the ground so the water can't get in the door or the windows. For this drawing tutorial, I'm going to imagine it's a hide. A hide is a tiny little room on very tall legs. It's used by people who want to watch animals in the wild. Let's start near the top of the page by drawing a square. 4 sides that are all the same length. On top of the square, we need a triangle for the roof. So starting on one corner, draw a line up to a point in the middle and back down to the other corner opposite. Let's draw a special window for this hide. It needs to be long and thin so people can look out but animals can't see in. So let's use a long lying down rectangle at the top of the square. So starting on one side, let's do a short line, a long line, a short line and a long line to join it up. Now we need some long legs to keep this hide high up off the ground. Starting on one corner, let's draw a very long, skinny, standing up rectangle. One on that side, and one on this side. And to make sure they don't wobble about, let's put another line in the middle to join them up and make it stronger. Now, how are the people going to get up into this hide? They're going to need a ladder, aren't they? So let's imagine there's a door on this side of the little house. And we're going to draw a ladder that goes from the bottom corner here down to the ground. Let's try that with our pencils. Draw another one next to it, exactly the same. And then you can join those 2 lines up with lots of shorter lines. These are called the rungs of a ladder. This is where you put your hands and feet as you climb up. Let's draw somebody hiding inside. We can only see their face, so let's draw a circle, 1 line that goes all the way around. 2 eyes, 1, 2. A little line for the nose, and a mouth. You can draw some ears and some hair maybe. There's no glass in this window. This person is holding on to the window ledge. So draw 2 circles, 1 each side of the person's chin. This shows their hands poking over the edge. It looks like there's room for someone else. Let's draw a person climbing up the ladder. A circle for the head. 2 little lines for the neck. Bloop, bloop, and a square for the body. And it needs to be parallel with the ladder. That means these lines need to go the same way as these lines. Then we can draw some lines coming out from each shoulder to show the person is holding onto the ladder. And from this corner, we're going to draw a line out to the knee and down to the foot and put an oval on that run. And from the other corner of the body, go a straight line down to the run below with an oval on that step. And then you can add some extra lines for the trousers if you want to. Or maybe you want to draw a skirt, whatever you like. Then we'll do a face. This person looks a little bit worried. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it up this ladder. Some hair. These people are scientists who are hiding in the forest to watch animals to learn more about how they behave. Do you see how they're wearing camouflage clothes? Let's make the hide camouflage too. That means we need to make it the same colour as the trees that are all around it. Don't move. I think think there's a fox coming. You'll scare it. If you need help to draw trees or woodland animals to complete your picture, follow some of the links in the description details below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help support this project. Thank you.